Welcome to Understand the Math. In this video, I'm going to walk you through an example of using the law of cosines to solve a side-side-side triangle. Our triangle has lengths given for all three sides. We'll begin by assigning variables to the given quantities. We're going to let A be the longest side, which is 30, so that A is greater than B, and we avoid the ambiguous case when we use the law of sines. We'll let B be equal to 24, and we'll let C be equal to 15. We'll then assign variables to the unknown quantities. These are our angles. Our angle opposite side A we will call A, and then the angle opposite side B is B, and then lastly, our third angle is C. Our next step is to find the angle opposite the longest side using the law of cosines. This is going to be angle A. We'll write the law of cosines as A squared is equal to B squared plus C squared minus 2BC cosine A. And that's the angle that we need to find. Let's go ahead and let's plug in all the quantities that we know. Little a is 30, and we'll square that. Little b is 24. We'll square that. Little c is 15. That becomes squared. And then we subtract 2 times b, which is 24. Our c is 15. And then we have cosine angle A, which is our unknown angle. On the left-hand side, we have 900. And then 24 squared is 576. 15 squared is 225. And then 2 times 24 times 15 is 720 times cosine A. 900 minus 576 minus 225 is equal to 99. And our right-hand side is minus 720 cosine A. This gives us cosine of A is minus 99 over 720. And that tells us that A is inverse cosine of minus 99 over 720. When we put this into our calculator, we end up with a value of 97.90 degrees. Our fourth step is to find the second angle, which is angle B, and we'll find that using the law of sines. We could also find it using the law of cosines, but again, the law of sines is easier. The law of sines tells us that the sine of angle A over side A is equal to the sine of angle B over side B. We want to find angle B, so we'll first solve for sine B. Sine B is equal to B times sine of A over little a. Let's now plug in these values. Side B is equal to 24. And then we have the sine of angle A. We just found that in step 3, and that was equal to 97.90 degrees. And we divide this by side A, which is 30. This is equal to 0.79241. So B is inverse sine of this value. And this is equal to 52.41 degrees. Our last step is to find our last angle, which is angle C. We'll start by writing down that angle A plus angle B plus angle C is 180 degrees. We'll plug in for A and B. A is 97.90 degrees. B is 52.41 degrees. Plus our unknown angle C is 180 degrees. This gives 150.31 degrees plus C is equal to 180 degrees. When we subtract 150.31 from 180, we get that our angle C is 29.69 degrees. You should now be able to apply these 5 steps to solve any side angle side or any side 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 triangle.
If this video has been helpful to you, please consider subscribing to my channel. Keep believing in yourself and have a great rest of your day.